Hello and namaste beautiful yogis. How are you all? Today we are going to do a few postures which will help keep our reproductive system or our uterus healthy. Let's begin with sitting in Vajrasana. Index finger and thumb joined, palms placed over your thighs. If this posture is not possible for you, please continue to sit in cross-legged posture. Stay here and breathe. Shoulders roll back, top of the head reaching towards the ceiling, elbows are relaxed. Big breath in and exhale through the nose. Once again, inhale and exhale. Continue for 3 more breaths. Vajrasana promotes healthy blood circulation in the pelvic area and strengthens the muscles. Therefore, it is beneficial for women as it mitigates menstrual cramps and also eases labor problems. And release. Extend your legs in front. Keep the right leg extended. Bend your left leg at the knee. Your sole of the foot touching the inner thigh, inner right thigh. See that your body is not facing the diagonal, the body is facing in front towards your right toes. Inhaling, Janushirshasana. Exhale, bend forward. Now, if you cannot reach your toes, it's alright. You can bend your knee. See that you're creating that stomach and thigh connection. And then reaching forward and stay here and breathe. 5 breaths. This posture calms your mind and relieves stress. It also stretches your spine, shoulders and hamstrings, along with stimulating the liver, kidneys, ovaries and uterus. Next inhalation, extend your arms, come up, exhale and release. Changing sides, extend the left leg, fold the right leg at the knee, keeping the sole of the foot towards your left inner thigh. Inhale and extend. You can choose to keep the knees bent or exhale and reach forward. See that you create that stomach and thigh connection. If that is not happening, please feel free to bend your knee. Keep breathing. 5 breaths. This posture is also helpful in diabetes and relieves constipation. It is extremely effective in relieving urinary disorders as well. Please avoid this posture in case you're suffering from high blood pressure or are undergoing menstruation. Inhale and up. Exhale and release. Extending both your legs for Paschimottanasana or seated forward fold. Again, you can choose to keep your knees bent. You can choose to elevate your hips with the help of a bolster or bricks. Inhaling. Extend the spine up. Exhaling. Bend forward. Stay and breathe for 5 breaths. Stomach and thigh connected. This asana gives the back part of the body a good stretch all the way from ankles to the head. The muscles of the anterior part of the body are contracted and this creates pressure on the abdomen and thorax, thereby improving respiratory functions and the functioning of the intra-abdominal glands, specifically focusing on secretions. Next inhalation, extend your arms up. Exhale, bring the arms down. From there, fold your legs. Join the soles of your feet. Now there is no rule to bring the heels closer to your body. You can keep the heels away as comfortable as you can be. See that your knees are reaching towards the floor. If you can pull the heels closer, please do so. See that you are taking the 3-finger grip, index finger, middle finger and the thumb. Hold the toes, the big toes, with the 3-finger grip for both the feet. Inhale here, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bend forward as much as your body allows you. You are pushing the elbows down, pushing the knees down and reaching forward. Keep breathing. Extend the spine. Stay wherever your body allows you. 5 breaths. This pose increases the blood circulation in our pelvic floor and helps with better efficiency and stimulation of the organs residing there. It helps activate and balance the hormones and strengthens the uterus, which help in reducing menstrual problems. It also stimulates the ovaries, prostate gland and the bladder, and ailments related to infertility and sexual arousal can be addressed by this practice. Next inhalation, come up and exhale. Release, bring your knees together. Extend your legs. Roll over for Cobra Pose. Coming down on your belly, keep the palms underneath your shoulders. Legs are stretched out. Point your feet. See that you're pushing down your pubic bone. Tighten your glutes and push the pubic bone down. Forehead on the floor. As you inhale, come up as much as your body allows you. See that your lower back is not pinching. Keep lifting up. 5 breaths. Cobra Pose stretches and strengthens the muscles of the uterus. This pose boosts the circulation of oxygenated blood through the spine and the pelvis. It also tones the muscles of the lower body and releases the tension out of the body. It is a great pose to keep your uterus healthy and regulate your menstrual cycle. And release. Bring your palms one over the other. Rest your head onto your palms. Makarasana or Crocodile Pose is a great pose to reduce stress and improve your posture. It also helps realign your back after Cobra Pose. Rolling over onto your back. Bend your knees one at a time. See that your pelvis is neutral. You're not tilting your pelvis in any direction. Pelvis straight, neutral. Very slowly lift your legs off the floor without changing anything in your hips. Extend the legs up for Viparita Karni Asana or legs up the wall pose. Stay here and breathe. You can stay here longer if you have the time. By stretching the legs up, the blood flows directly into the pelvic region and stimulates the reproductive organs to secrete progesterone and other pregnancy hormones. This asana treats infertility conditions. It also is effective for PCOD as well as relieves menstrual pain from legs, feet and pelvic muscles. It also helps with mild depression and anxiety and helps regulate high blood pressure. When you're ready, bring the legs down. You can continue to rest in Shavasana or Corpse Pose. Turn the palms up. Relaxing your whole body. Shavasana regulates the breath and relaxes the entire body. It also leads to a healthy blood flow in the ovarian region. And when you're ready, bend your knees one at a time. Roll over to the right side. Bring the left palm down. Come up and sit up. This completes our practice. Each of these postures works on our abdominal muscles, stretches and strengthens our uterus, and helps maintain our uterus health. Do let me know in comments below what you feel about the practice. Thank you for practicing with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you and namaste.